Hello there, my name is Michael. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your cursor. This little white thing moving up and down, yep, that's your cursor. So I'm going to show you how you can make it more fancy, colorful, just personalize it the way you want it to look like. First, we're going to download another cursor. I'm gonna put the link to this website in my description. So if you look at here, we can see different cursor. This is the user type. It's basically this is the type you're using currently. Yeah, it looks the same thing. You can also different type of cursor right here. Which is nice. So right now I'm going to download this one. Just download it right now. Okay, it's downloading. Okay, right now you can see it has downloaded. So just close this. I'll come to my file explorer down here, click on it, come to download. Okay, this is right here. So I'm going to create another folder right here, then put this into it. Open it, then I'm going to extract it right here. Okay, these are the cursors. Okay, so these are all the cursor icons right here. So I'm now going to go to local disk C, Windows, then scroll down and come into the folder called cursor. So these are all the cursors that I already have. All the cursor icons I already have. So I'm going to put in the ones I just downloaded. Right here. Okay, I'll take these two. Cut and come up here, click this arrow again, brought me back here. Just click this arrow up here to bring me back here. Then I'm going to paste it. So you will need to provide administrators permission to move to this folder. Okay, just click continue. Okay, it's copied. Look at it down here. So now I'm gonna close this and come over to settings. I'll start menu, then settings, then come to ease of access, then cursor and pointer. So let's go back. Now we're here to change to the new cursor we downloaded. That we want to change this to. So we come to addition. We come to additional mouse settings. Click on it. We come to additional mouse pointer. Click on it. Now we come to pointers. Click on that. Now we're going to look for the one we downloaded. Click browse, so we can browse through it. Go down, down, down. Okay, this is it. Found it. So I'll just click on this. Open. Apply. Okay. So now you can see that I've changed my cursor. Let me go back. I'm gonna click the arrow up here. Then I'm gonna increase the size so you can see it well. Okay. Okay, it looks like increasing the size removed it. So I'm going to come to additional mouse settings. Mouse. Then browse. So as you can see, when I increase the size, it reverts back to the default mouse pointer, cursor pointer that was originally there. If you notice this, I'm going to change it back again. Click, apply, and that's it. Click this arrow up here. So you see, if I increase the size, this new cursor icon I chose will change back to the default. So now we're here. We could do any other thing we want. We can change the pointer color. This one we're using currently, so we can change it to black. See, we can then change the color. Change now. You can see the color is changing of the cursor. You can change it to yellow, green. We can increase the size of the cursor. You see, you can have a bigger cursor if you want. Let's turn this back. Okay, let's change this back. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.